Hey guys, welcome back to another What's Cooking video. Today we're having shrimp and crab casserole for dinner. Alright guys, so I'm going to start this recipe with about 20 jumbo shrimp. I've already washed and deveined them. I'm going to take about 5 to 6 shrimp and I'm going to cut them into small pieces, and then the rest I'm just going to split them down the middle in half. So once I've prepped all my shrimp, I'm going to go ahead and season them really well. I am going to keep them separate because I will be preparing them separately. I'm going to add some Creole seasoning. I'm also going to put garlic powder, Old Bay, adobo, onion powder, paprika, seafood seasoning, salt, and pepper. So guys, I didn't measure out how much seasoning I added to my shrimp. This is all preference. You can add as little or as much as you'd like. Then I'm just going to mix everything up and move on to my crab. I love using this particular brand of crab meat because it is real crab and it tastes so much better than a lot of the options out there. All of the seasoning that I used on my shrimp, I've added to the crab meat, and I'm just mixing everything together and breaking up the large pieces. Now I'm just going to heat my skillet and add in 1 stick of salted butter. Once the butter is all melted, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of diced garlic. Cook that down for about a minute. Then I'm going to add in a medium onion that I've diced. I'm going to cook that for about 3 minutes until the onions start to look translucent. Then I'm going to add in 2 stalks of chopped celery and allow that to cook for 2 minutes. I'm also going to add in a half of a sweet pepper that I've diced up, along with a jalapeno pepper and some parsley. So while this is cooking down, I've crushed 2 sleeves of Ritz crackers in a Ziploc bag to add it into this mixture. So once I add in the Ritz crackers, I'm only going to toss it around enough to combine everything, and then I'm going to remove it from the stove. Now I'm just going to grab another skillet, add in some extra virgin olive oil, and lightly saute the shrimp that I diced and seasoned earlier. Now let's put this delicious goodness together. I have my large mixing bowl. I'm going to add in my Ritz cracker stuffing along with the seasoned crab meat and the sauteed shrimp. I'm also going to add in 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice along with salt and pepper to taste, and mix everything up together. So guys, now I'm just going to grab my casserole dish and grease the bottom and the sides with butter. And then I'm going to line the entire bottom with the halves of shrimp that were prepared earlier. So now that I've lined the bottom with all of my shrimp, I'm going to use this delicious stuffing and put it on top. Guys, this stuffing is so good, you can literally eat it with a spoon. So to give my casserole a little bit more texture, I'm going to sprinkle on a half cup of plain Panko breadcrumbs. I'm also going to melt a half a stick of salted butter, drizzle it on top, and then sprinkle on some paprika for color. Lastly, I'm just going to bake it in a preheated 375-degree oven for 30 minutes, and then voila! Look at that, guys. I'm just sprinkling on some parsley on top. Guys, my husband and kids have been waiting all day to devour this casserole, and it was so delicious. Dinner is served. Thanks again for taking the time to watch another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next one.